Page 23, letter E, 6524 divided 4 equal what? I will solve it using the standard algorithm. In the standard algorithm, I'll make the Z chart and I write inside it the dividend, the very big number, 6524 divided 4. And I will need the help of Mr. Partial so that I'll draw him here to go to him each time and ask. So I will go to Mr. Partial. What will I do? Take apart. He will tell me take apart. This part should be from table 4 so that I have to write table 4 here. Let's write table 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. This is table 4. And I have to start from the end digit, which is 6. So let's search for 6 here in the table. Where is 6? Can you find 6? No, but I can find it between 4 and 8. This is here. So instead of 6, I'll use 4. So let's write 4 here. It will be 4, and instead of all these digits, I'll put 0. This is my part. Mr. Partial, I got my part. What will I do? Divide. So I will say 4,000 divide 4. 4,000 divide 4 equal what? Drop the 3 zeros, and 4 divide 4 equal 1. It will equal 1,000. Now what will I do after I divide? Minus. So I will make minus. Let's say minus. This is 4 and 2, 5 and 6 minus 4 equals 2. Here I have 2,524. Again to Mr. Partial, what will I do? He will tell me take apart. Let's take apart. I look at the end digit, which is 2. Let's search for 2. Can you find 2? No, the smallest digit I have here is 4. So what will I do? I'll make it bigger and I will search for the 2 digits beside together, which is 25. Let's search for 25. Can you find 25 here? No, but I can find 25 between 24 and 28. It will be here. So I'll use what instead? 24. So let's write 24 instead, and instead of these 2 digits, I'll put 2 zeros. Mr. Partial, I got my perfect part. What should I do now? Divide. So let's say divide 2,400. My part divide 4 equal what? I'll drop the 2 zeros here. Don't pay more attention for the zeros. You can drop them and look at the solid fact, which is 24. 24 divide 4 equal what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it will equal 6. 24 divide 4 equals 6. I can use my table I wrote to guide me in the division solution. So here I divide. So what will I do now, Mr. Partial? Minus. So let's make minus. It will be 4, 2, 1 and 2 minus 2 equals 0. Now I have 124. Let's go again to Mr. Partial. What will I do? He will tell me take apart. To take apart, I look at the end digit, which is 1. Let's search for 1 in the table. This is very small. The smallest digit I have is 4. So what should I do? I have to search for 2 digits now. 12. Can you find 12 here in the table? Yes, this is 12. So I'll use these 12 in my part. And instead of the third digit in the ones digit, I'll put 0. I got my perfect part. What should I do now? Divide. So let's say 120 divide 4. So let's drop this 0 and look at the solid digit, which is 12. 12 divide 4 equal what? 1, 2, 3. It will equal 3. So it will equal 30. After we divide, we will go again to Mr. Partial. What will we do now? Minus. So let's make minus. 124 minus 120. So let's drop 4 and 0, 0. So the rest here is 4. So again, go to Mr. Partial. What will I do now? Take apart. So I look at the only digit I have. This is 4. Do you have 4 in the table? I'll search for this in the table. Yes, I have 4. So I'll use it as a part. So I have here for Mr. Partial. What will I do now? Divide. So 4 divide 4 equal what? Equal 1. And then Mr. Partial, what will I do? I'll make minus 4 minus 4 equal what? Equal 0. And this 0 will be as the remainder. So here I have remainder with 0. So what's the quotient now? I have 1631. 1631 with remainder 0. Remember that in the standard algorithm, each time you go to Mr. Partial and you have 3 steps. Take apart, divide, minus, and each time with each last digit, you do the same steps by order. So here the answer or the quotient is 1631 with remainder 0.